Hey YouTube, welcome back to the show. We got part whatever this is. Got the siding up. Now all that's left is a little fascia. Whoop. And then you know, I'm gonna do something in the rafters up in here. I'm not really sure exactly what, but and then it took way longer than I thought, and it's because of all that trim. You can see all the J-channel. I didn't get corner posts because I couldn't find nice ones at the store, so we just butted J-channel up against it. It must have took us 6 hours, me and my uncle. My uncle does this professionally. I helped him out. I learned a ton. I don't know that I'm qualified to tell you guys what I learned though, because it's still kind of sinking in. Now I do have to do the back a little bit. Got to polish up the back. I just got to do the top part there, add in the J-channel around my vent, and then do, you know, it'll be 5 pieces, but we put all the ugliness on the back because nobody's going to see it. So I think it turned out really well. It's really high quality siding. My uncle had it left over from a job, and he had enough for us to do this. So he came down and helped me out with that. And I said, what do I owe you? He's like, well, just hit me back when we go to Canada. So I'll buy him some beer in Canada, which, you know, a case of Moosehead is 40 bucks. Good job, Canada. Anyway, so I also have the doorstep. I got to do, I'm going to put some drip edge over the doorstep so that piece of wood doesn't rot out. And then I'm going to put some steps or a ramp on there for my kids to make it a little easier. They're fine now, but you know, anything that makes it a little less of a chance for them to trip, it'll be good. And that's just a little bit of dirt that I got to get rid of. Anyway, that's it. Playhouse is done. A couple fiddly bits here and there, but that's it. Done with the Playhouse series. Finally, thank you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along. We'll get back to your regularly scheduled tool and motor stuff. Next up, the big project is swapping the engine on the go-kart. So you guys will see me put a Predator on that. And I got a new series coming out. You'll see that too. Thanks again for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This took me friggin' forever.